Kumusta mo diha mga igsoon? Kapatid, maayong adlaw sa tanan. Karon di ay, oo karon ha, dili ugma or gahapon. Pero pwede ra sabiha ninyo balikon ugma o kada adlaw pa ka. Kamo bahala. Unsay trip ninyo. I-share ni tud nako ang journey as a content creator diri sa Facebook or Meta no. Pakita nako sa inyo. So far akong account is 7 days old pa.
What?
Pero naka-process na ko aning account setup. So pakita na ko unsaon. Ay sorry. Payout account setup ay Ugo. Sige, sugdan ta. Basic first name, last name, dayon date of birth, kumpletuha lang na, dayon click on next. Lata lang na maload kadali. Og sa dihang dugay di ay. Pindira na siya sa inyong connection guys ha. Dayon inyong location, ang business type dire kung ipili kay individual or sole proprietor. And next. Pagkahuman, enter again, double check ang info, optional ang middle name, and ang inyong address. So, humana na, kumpletuhan na dahil na ninyo guys, no? Ang detalye niya, home address ninyo. So, Sugdan City. So, kaya wala, anti-state mo na ang inyong province. Dayon ang inyong postal code. So, kung wala mo kabaw kung sa postal code sa inyong lugar, search nyo sa Google. Okay, pagkauman na tanan mo na submit or next. Lati lang din ninyo mo load. Dayon pili mo kung saan inyong option how to get paid. So, pwede if you have PayPal account or if you choose wire transfer. In my situation, I don't have PayPal, so mo akong gipili kay ang bank transfer. I mean, ako'y PayPal ha, pero dugay na kaya ako nagamit. So, best option for me will be bank transfer. So, it would depend sa inyo ha guys, no? Just fill out the details kung say kinahanglan. And there you go. If you choose bank account or bank transfer, make sure you've got your bank information ready. And once you're done, hit on next. And then you can proceed. Dugay siya guys, no? So, add your tax info. So, add tax info. Continue as kung sa inyong main account. And there you have it. Just click on continue. So next any guys no is if US citizen ba mo. So if Pinoy, technically click on no. And then if you are a third person or lahi nga person na mo receive sa payment, if you're the owner, just click on no. And then complete lang ni siya nga info regarding sa inyong taxpayer information. I have a non-US TIN kay Pinoy man ta. And then just check on the informations below if they're correct. If not, then you can edit. And your mailing address. So before you can continue, just double check the information. Click on next if you're already confident with the details. So 0% services will be physically performed in the US. If diri ra sa Pinas tanan ang inyong mga content. So once you review and read all the information, in my case ako na siyang nabasa daan, and then you just type on your name as your signature. So make sure dito guys ang inyong i-indicate as your first name and your last name will be the same here para dili siya magka-error. So here in my situation gibot niya na siya middle name and wala ko nagbutang og middle name sa katong prior nga mga fields. So i-remove na nako and then hit the next, and there you have it. Submit form. Just review all the infos again if these are correct, and then okay na. Click on done and you are done. Congratulations guys. So dili di ay no, i-share ko lang in addition ni pop up man gud kalit sa kuang account for me to set up the monetization for stars. So as you can see, first time nga mo kuan, excited kayo ta mo click diya no. So click na ko ng setup, and then nag-wait ko for more than a week to receive an update or feedback from Meta. And so as you can see here sa ilang guidelines, eligibility for the monetization for stars, dapat na kay 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. Nabasan din ako ni sa to ahead of time guys. Pag-create pa lang ako ani account or page and all, pero mo lagi to excited ta wata kadumdum na aday ni eligibility no. Sige, set up na ko, and then after a week naka-receive ko feedback your application was not approved because of these eligibility problems. So mag-wait na sa dani 2 weeks or so para pag tanaw na to maka-reapply ba ta. And hopefully so far no sa akong account wala mo kay kanang information nga nakabutang natay policy nga nakuan for monetization or violation rather for monetization. So continue lang ta. And that's all guys, thank you for watching up until this point. So don't forget to follow or like the page and share this video if you like it, and see you guys on the next one. Bye yours.